Wanawayazi guys ukuthi uNdlovu uyoke abe isithithisi sikaMamZobe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 16th to the 20th of December 2024 on Monday. MamZobe makes a blood covered and guided by Sibusiso. Ndlovu gives the council another list with more demands. Maximba makes Lwazi cut all communication with Kapsile on Tuesday. Siphamandla's carefully diplomacy unravels at Ndlovu with a chilling resolve. MamZobe makes a puppet out of Ndlovu. Mazungu is unnerved by his new version of Sibusiso on Wednesday. MamZobe reap what she has sown and she loves the harvest. Futia sees Sibusiso for who he truly is, The series hint at a future of marital bliss on Thursday. MamZobe praises Sibusiso for everything going well with her. Futia finds himself stuck in a rut after trying to help Sibusiso. Ntombi receives life-changing surprise, but not everyone is happy about it on Friday. MamZobe's spell goes to another level at church. Backlines are drawn after Spa challenges Sbu's power, and Ndlovu's wife smells a rat about their husband. Well guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.